T2229 Tank300 Side Ladder Installation Guide. First, remove the right rear corner cover of the original vehicle luggage rack. Unscrew the 2 screws inside the corner cover. The bracket has 2 installation methods, front and rear. We take the rear installation as an example. Align with the holes. Tighten the 2 top screws. And also tighten the 2 inner screws. Test the side ladder on the vehicle. Confirm the suction cup positions for applying clear paint protection film. Spray and wet the vehicle body. Apply clear paint protection film. Mount the side ladder on the vehicle. Adjust the suction cup height to the appropriate position. Apply waterproof glue to the original vehicle screws. Reinstall them in their original positions. Insert double-shaped bolts into the rail. Install our side ladder corner cover. Attach the top screws of the corner cover. Screw on the nuts. Tighten all screws after confirming the side ladder position is correct. Installation guide ends here. Thank you for choosing Tank300.